Workday Adaptive Planning offers many opportunities to load data into your system, whether it's using a manual import that you can see in the center of the screen here, and even exporting your data from your planning system, both of which primarily will export to a flat file format. On the left-hand side, however, you can see the options for integrating your source systems directly with Workday Adaptive Planning. That can include your ERP or finance data systems, or even your non-finance data, such as your raw material purchase volumes, costing information, and that kind of thing. You can see here we have a connection in this model for Google Sheets, which pulls some of our finance actuals in from the cloud. We also have some options as well that you can see further down for a Salesforce CRM database, so capturing non-finance data as well. This data can be integrated and automated, so it is refreshed overnight, every 5 minutes or once a week, but it can also be controlled and imported into Adaptive Planning by the push of a button. Workday Adaptive Planning also allows you to automize your data export process, and that can include connecting directly to sources like Power BI and any other data warehouse or tool that you may want to use. It imports data in the same way using the REST API, so any tool you have that is able to use an API connection, you can pull the data from Adaptive Planning for it. Adaptive Planning also comes with the ability to extract data directly to Excel, as you saw in a previous video, but there is also an add-in for Adaptive called Office Connect that allows you to directly link any of your Excel, PowerPoint and Word templates to your Adaptive Planning data. You can see here the button I've just pushed highlights all of the data and also the metadata that's connected back to the planning instance as well, directly from Excel. What that means is I can hit refresh at the top left here with a single click, and I've already rolled this report forward to November 2025, so by refreshing it, I see the latest data for November 2025. Even the trend lines, conditional formatting, any charts and formulas that sit on top of this data will also be automated as well. So the export options for data within Adaptive Planning are quite extensive.